So for making question papers in Google Form, first open any web browser in your laptop, mobile or desktop. I am using Google Chrome, so open it and in the search box type Google Forms. Google Forms. Enter and then some links will be shown. So in this link, go to Google Forms create. After that, for personal use, you will select personal and then go to Google Forms. Straight away go to Google Forms. Then we'll choose a blank form. Start a new form. So in this option we'll choose blank. See, it's opening untitled form. So you can write whatever you want, untitled. You can make it. You can give some title here. So I'm giving computer test. Okay, form description, whichever class you want, for classics, and then I'm giving it time 30 minutes. You can set according to your need. Now before going to question, I want to add some more section. Okay, so for that I'll add a new question where I want the name of the person, whoever is submitting the form. So for this I'll choose short text. Click here, you will get different types of answer options, paragraph, short answer. So I'm choosing short answer for name. Okay, now next, make it required section so that everyone must fill this. No one should leave this section. Again I'll add one more question where I'll ask for admission number. Okay, again I'll choose short text. Okay, again I'll make it required. Next I want their class and section. So again I'll add a new question. See this plus sign, in mobile it will be at the bottom. Okay, at the bottom of your screen in mobile. So you can use this plus sign to add question. Now again go to this section and write their class and section. So here I will choose drop down option. Okay, already I'll give the options, otherwise everyone will type different answers. So 6A, B, then C and D. So I'm using only 4. Now come to the section question answer. Okay, so here I'll question number 1. So I've typed the first question, what are 2 types of memory? So option you will add so 2 options I have given, primary and secondary. Then press enter and then you will find another option. Again you want to enter, then press enter. Again option number 3 you can add. So I'm giving only 2 options here. Again I want to add more question. Before that, these 2 options I am choosing multiple choice, so these options are coming. If you use short text, then you can give them question answer format. Okay, so I am giving multiple choice question. So again for new question, again this plus sign. In mobile it will be at the bottom of your screen. So again this plus sign and type another question, question number 2. So again I have typed this question and 2 options I have given. Again I have make this multiple choice. Now after that again I am making all the sections required. So class and section also make it required. Okay, each and every section I am making it required so that all questions are must to answer. No one should leave any question. Okay, so I am making you can do according to your need. So now let us move to settings. So for setting, use this icon. In mobile phone there are 3 dots. At same here only. So here when you click, you will get settings here only in these options. So in computer or laptop, the settings icon is already given. So I am using settings. Now general, limit to one response. It's enough to give this limit to one response so that everyone should give response only one time. Next, go to quizzes tab. Make this a quiz so that you can feed answer before only, and then already these boxes are checked. So release grade immediately after each submission, only this is needed so that each and every one after submitting can see their grades. And then respondent can see missed question, point values. I am removing correct answer. Okay, and then save this setting. After saving, come to the question and then add the points and the answer key. In mobile phone, this icon will be shown for answer key. So click on this icon, answer key, choose the correct option. It is already feeded now, and choose the point. I am giving 2 points. You can give 1, 2, 3, whatever is your requirement. And then again to this question I am doing the same thing. Answer key. Again 2 points I am giving it, and then feeding the answer. Okay, and done. So after that, see total points 4. Now you have to send the link. Before the sending the link, you can have a preview also. This icon is a preview icon. Okay, here you can see your forms preview. So check this preview, and then after that I am going to send this. So send. Okay, send via, this is email sign, this is link sign. So I want a link, then the link is generated, and shorting this link, so shorten URL and then copy, and you can paste this anywhere in your WhatsApp or any message also. So simply open WhatsApp and paste it there, and this is done.